Oh, hello. You'll notice that. Just got the new bumper in. There's the old bumper. The old gussets. Cleaned up the hardware on top here with the carriage bolts. And put that bumper on with the new gussets. I haven't cleaned these hooks up yet, but I'm going to at some point. But I did notice this issue right here. See what I'm talking about? Wait a minute. Because I don't think there's one over here. Yeah, okay. Well, I guess it's kind of over here on that side too. But it does line up. I tighten all the bolts down. I actually got new hardware coming in for these here and the 4 bolts underneath. But I did notice that there is, on this particular bumper that I got off the eBay, that there's 3 here for the carriage bolts, 3 here, and then, the 4th one. I don't know what all these holes have to do with anything. That's just, I don't know, whatever. But what I am going to do here, this will make sense in a second. I am going to replace this and rebuild it. And by rebuild it, take it apart, re-grease it, put it back together, repaint it, all other jazz. There's nothing wrong with it that I know. For the longest time, it didn't have a bolt right here. And so the grease would just naturally pop up through here. I'm not sure if that caused any damage internally. We'll soon find out about that. But I have been taking care of this. I tried to take all the casting marks off this as much as I could. So you can see one right there. But at some point, I'm just like, well, what's the point? Spend all this time to do it. It's like ridiculous. Who cares? No one's really going to see that. Unless you're looking for casting marks on everything you look at. But this is the pin that goes into there. And it's worn. All the coating, the chrome, it's gone. I did find out that this old piece right here, the center link, I think they call it, was blue at some point. It's gonna be black now. I've been using, I don't have it with me, it's outside, but I'm using barbecue grill paint. I'm using self-etching primer, then black barbecue grill paint to paint the rest of this. It's not bad, actually. I mean, it's a kind of a durable paint. And I think that paint don't mind that. But you can see the internally, it looks like it's, I don't know if that's copper or bronze, but yeah, it's coming along nice. I'll be done with it maybe tonight. Depends if I don't get into the liquor. Hopefully not. But most of the other hardware is in here, marinating. Actually, I should take the painter's tape off. Let's see. Ugh, come on. That's really about it. The only update I really have in the shop here is just the new bumper. I think there's a car show in my area this weekend. I might go to it just to say hi to the folks. We'll say, man, I haven't seen a Land Cruiser in years. I was like, yeah, I got 2 of them. Yeah, let's take this off, see what it does. But yeah, it came out all right. Everything was, I bought this off eBay from some dude in Texas. And yeah, he said it works, and it does. The only thing I'm really concerned about is this felt piece that's lacking there. I don't necessarily think it's going to matter too much because the nut and the washer will sort of cover that up. But yeah, I painted it, and I tried to take the casting marks down this part as much as I could. You can kind of see it right there. But at some point I was starting to do it. I'm thinking, you know, what's the point? This is ridiculous. It's just, I don't know. Nothing I really wanted to get myself too much involved in. I went as far as I actually normally would go to for restoring a part of anything. I was just thinking, like, nah, no, just not going to do it. But that's really about it. I mean, this bumper is roached. But this is a back burner project. Since I am a welder, wink, wink, nudge, nudge, I'm going to do something to this. I'm going to modify this to where I'm going to box it in, I think, as much as I can. And put like a plate, like maybe a 1/4 inch plate right here on top, so I can mount a winch. And anytime I want to, I don't know, in the far future, want to put a winch on this, I won't use this. I'll just put the winch on here, bolt this thing up, because it still bolts up. It's ugly as hell, as you can see. It's been bondoed and beaten on. I cut it to try to get it straight, and well, I need a anvil and some heat to actually completely do what I really need to do. But these gussets are, well, I'm going to use them because I'm not going to use those new gussets for this. That would be stupid. Then I have to weld that over and take all this years of abuse and paint and what else, whatever else is caked into it. But yeah, that's it. See ya.